in this video. Marc Marquez has a shot at P4, but he is playing his own championship. Maverick Vinales reveals the setup gamble, says he had podium pace. And is Davide Brivio coming back to Suzuki, and what do Joan Mir and Alex Rins have to say about that? My name is Sankalp and this is your Racing News Fix. Even after missing the first 2 rounds this year and a DNF in another 4 rounds, Marc Marquez still has an outside chance at P4 in the championship and a very decent chance of finishing in top 5 at the very least. He is just 7 points behind Miller in P5 and 10 points behind Zarco in P4. If Marc is able to carry the current momentum into the last 2 races, one of which is anti-clockwise by the way, a P4 is not completely outside the realm of possibility. But the 8-time world champion has his target set elsewhere. Marc revealed that he has been playing his own championship in his head starting at Austria and keeps a tab of where he stands relative to frontrunners. Marc said, "I'm riding my own championship. That means from Austria to here. From Austria to here in terms of points, I am not far from the best riders." Further speaking about why he is doing this, Marc continued, "It is just a target inside the team and my mind to be motivated and to prepare well for the 2022 season. It is what I said in the summer break. It looks like I repeat a lot of times, but I don't feel comfortable on the bike. But step by step, I feel better and the physical conditions are improving." Speaking about improvements, Marc added, "As soon as the physical conditions started improving, the results also started coming. Also, HRC is working in a very good way. Me and Paul are riding different spec Hondas at Misano, and it was working well. The second part of the season is about trying to prepare well for the 2022 season." Maverick Vinales had his best ever finish with Aprilia at Misano, where he finished in P8 in a race of attrition. Although a P8 might not look very impressive after the fact, it looks more respectable when you realize that he started the race all the way back from P19. After the race, Maverick revealed that they gambled with a completely untested setup and it paid off in the race, and reckons that if not such a poor qualifying position, he had the pace to finish on the podium. Speaking about the setup gamble, Vinales said, "I am happy because before the race we made a substantial change to the bike's balance. It was a gamble, but our goal is to try to get to know this bike better and better. It worked extremely well. I had a good pace from the first laps, and the only thing that kept me from battling for an even better result was the fact that I had to make up positions from behind. I am extremely confident after what we demonstrated today. Step by step, the rider team bike package is coming together, and that is fundamental." Further speaking about the amazing race pace and where he lost time in the race, Vinales continued, "The first laps have been really compromised because I never tried this setup, and to go straight to the race is difficult. I lost a minimum of 10 to 15 seconds in the first few laps going out of the track trying to overtake because you are with others. So basically our progression is step by step, but what I'm happy about is that we are doing that progression. It is true that at Misano we have made a lot of laps, but everyone makes a lot of laps at Misano and everyone can be fast in Misano. I'm confident that even today, if we started in the first or second row, I think we were able to be inside the top 3. And after less than a year in Formula 1, rumors of Davide Brivio coming back to MotoGP paddock are doing rounds. When Brivio left Suzuki, they decided not to hire a replacement and managed things by setting up a committee of existing team members led by Shinichi Sahara. It's no surprise that something didn't quite work at Suzuki this year, as they are nowhere in any of the 3 championships which they are a part of. Although just a rumor, both Joan Mir and Alex Rins are ready to welcome Davide Brivio with open arms should the rumors turn out to be true. Joan Mir said, "I've heard the rumors. For me, it's not a problem when Davide comes back. He has worked great with me in the past. I would certainly be happy with it. But the rumors are just rumors, so let's see." Alex Rins said, "There are many rumors about Davide. I would be happy if he would return to Suzuki. I appreciate him very much and we have a very good relationship. I wrote to him the other day and he said that he still has a contract with Alpine for another year, but the rumors don't stop, so I don't know." And that's not all. Both the riders also agree that whether Davide or not, they certainly need a dedicated team manager at Suzuki. Joan Mir said, "I think the senior team members have seen it and are now trying everything to fix this situation. It wasn't easy to deal with it when such an important person as Davide leaves the team because no one expected it, which made it difficult for Suzuki. However, it is now important that we have recognized that we need this role. I know they work hard to find someone, but it is difficult because it is a very important person in the team." And Alex Rins said, "It is true, it has become apparent that we don't have a team manager. There is not the same atmosphere in the team as before with Davide. Not because Davide left, but because this figure of the team manager is missing." If you made it till here, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. To stay up to date on all things MotoGP, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. Here are 2 more videos which you might enjoy. My name is Sankalp and I'll be back with another video very soon.